Hi guys, we're stopping at one of my honey holes before we go to the scrapyard this morning. Hey, look at these things. Holy smoke. Really, if you needed an oil change on your car, yeah, Mercedes Volvo. Need an oil change? It's free. Yeah, that's good Mercedes-Benz oil. Good morning. Good stuff. Hi-ya. There you go. Let me hold you by your feet.
Huh?
Let me hold you by your feet. Morning. Figure out how we're gonna get this barrel in there. There's a lot in there.
Oh, yeah? What is that, back?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna lay it down. Beautiful. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. It's good. Yeah, if you need an oil change, I got oil. Yep. Four more.
I took my clothes off and got dirty.
Amount about $60 worth of rotors. About 60 bucks worth. All right, we just threw away a crap ton of rotors. Let's go see what they weighed. All right, a little bit of aluminum goodness. Oh, wait a minute, it's over here. Start with this. Just put it next to the scale, don't put it on it. Nope, nope. Goes in the back of the trailer. Throw it in the back of the trailer. Hey. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, that one and that one. Got a little bit of aluminum goodness. Hey, brother. Dirty doors. Is that the same?
Aluminum, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Old sheet.
Oh gee. What, is that the same?
No, that'll be breakage.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. No, it don't matter. Yeah.
Good. Double brake.
Anything else, Mr. Bustle?
That's it, buddy.
Yes, sir.
That is everything. I'll be back though. I will be back. Yes, I will. Trip number 1 for the day. I'll be back. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Buzz.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one, buddy.
Please scan your
Show me the money.
Por favor, escanee su código de barras.
Please wait while your train passes.
Por favor, espere.